Okay, good morning, all of you. Welcome back once again. Can you hear my voice? Is it clear? Okay. Uh, in the previous class, we were talking about the two's complement. And generally, we use complement to represent the negative value. Generally, used to represent the negative value. Okay. So, in the previous class, we have learned how to write a negative value, how to write a negative value in two's complement form. Okay. So today is that topic is that if somebody has given to you any complement value, if suppose if somebody has given to you a complement value means two's complement value is given in the form of two's complement. So how will you come to know that which value it is? Okay. So what I mean to say that today I am going to teach you how to read two's complement value. In the previous class, we have learned how to write two's complement. Today, how to read. So give a heading, put today's date. Give a heading. Reading two's complement value. Okay. So we do not have any theory part. Just let us understand by the example only. Suppose value is given to you 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Suppose this value is given to you in two's complement form. Question is that which value it is? Which value it is representing? That is the main thing. So we know that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits are there. So one bit is reserved for the sign bit, and the remaining is the magnitude. So this is your sign bit. So since 0 it has been written here, so one thing is very clear. It is a positive value. So no doubt whether it is in sign magnitude or 1's complement or 2's complement. Positive value we can read directly. It is nothing but plus write down series 1, 2, 4, 8. This is sign bit. So 8 plus 2, 10. This is nothing but plus 11. So positive value we can read easily. Problem is that with the negative value. Now let us take a negative value example also. Suppose 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. This value is given in a 2's complement. One is there. One thing is very clear. It is a negative value. Which negative value? It has been written in a 2's complement form. So very difficult to read directly which value it is. One thing is very clear. It is a negative value. How did you come to know that? Last sign bit is 1. Okay, it is a negative value. Which negative value? Now see. In order to read this value, very simple concept is there. What we do for converting the negative value into 2's complement, what is the rule for that? First of all, we take the Akash Singh is telling everyone plus 13. 8, 9, 10 plus 1, 11. 8, 9, 10, 1, 11. Which value you are telling, for this value or for this value? Akash Singh is telling plus 13 answer. For this or for this? Akash, can you hear me? Okay, let us continue our discussion. So, yeah, what was the rule to convert any negative value in order to represent any negative value in 2's complement? First of all, we have taken the 1's complement. We have learned three methods. Out of three methods, we have one method that we have taken the 1's complement. After taking 1's complement, we have added plus 1. Are you getting or not? Just look at the previous topic. Look at the previous discussion. Out of three methods, one of the method, this was also there, one of the method for writing the 2's complement form. What was the method? First of all, we are taking the 1's complement. Then we are adding plus 1. To get the 2's complement form. Okay. Now, just do the reverse. To read this value. Are you getting or not? Suppose any binary value is given to you in 2's complement form. So if you want to read which value it is, we can do. How? Just do the reverse of the method. So we are adding plus 1 to get the 2's complement. Here do one thing, minus 1. Do the subtraction, minus 1. Now, we don't know how to do the binary subtraction also, but indirectly I am going to tell you how to do the binary subtraction. It's very simple concept. Here no problem. 1 minus 1, 0. Here as it is 0, 0, 1. Got it? We have subtracted minus 1. Now take the 1's complement of this value. Take the 1's complement of this value. So what is the meaning of 1's complement? Replace 1 with 0, 0 with 1. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. 1's complement. Now, you got the positive value. Can you tell me which positive value it is? 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. This is plus 13. If this value is plus 13, sure that this value is minus 13. This is the way to read the 2's complement value. This is value plus 13. This is the value plus 13. Sure and certain, this value is going to represent minus 13. For the computer. It is in the form of 2's complement. So, see, for the human being, very difficult to read. You cannot read directly. Sir, it is a minus 13 or minus 21. One thing is very clear, it is a negative value. Which negative value? We don't know. Computer understand. I know, computer understand. But we cannot understand directly. And I will tell you the reason also. Actually, see, for computer also, it doesn't matter whether it is a positive value or negative value. Okay, by the bits, he understands whether it is a positive value or negative value. This sign bit. With the sign bit. Anyhow, leave that part. So what is the process to read any 2's complement value? First of all, do the subtraction -1, then take 1's complement, then take 1's complement. You will get a positive value plus 13. This is nothing but -13. Simple. Let us take one more example. Let us take one more example. So have you understand why I have done -1? Just reverse of the 2's complement. Just reverse of the 2's complement. In order to get the 2's complement, we have converted 1's complement. Then we have added +1. We got the answer 2's complement. Just do the reverse. Just do the reverse of that method. Take one more example. Let us take one more example. Given 1101 in 2's complement. In 2's complement, find the number. Find the number. This is my question. Find the number. Given 1101 in 2's complement, find the number. Tell me which number it is. Examiner has said to you, it is 2's complement. Is it 2's complement? Find the number. Have you noted down this method? Anushka is telling -3. Okay, let us see what about others. Gauri Pandey is also telling -3. Maybe most of you are telling -3, then it means that it is correct answer. Satyam also telling -3. Arushi, what is your answer? Arushi, I'm giving you permission. Yeah, now you can speak. Arushi.
-3.
-3. Okay. It means that -3. Let us see others also, those who have a confusion. 1101. First of all, do -1. 0 0 1 1. Then take its 1's complement. Take it 1's complement. 0 0 1 1. Very simple. This is nothing but +3. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 3 plus 3. If it is +3, then sure it is -3. It is -3. Simple method. Okay, so one more method is there. If you want, if you are interested, I can teach that method also. Directly you can read. Let us take the same example. Just keep in knowledge. Otherwise, this is the simple method. That is also simple method. Let us discuss. Second method, you can give a heading. Second method to read 2's complement value. Second method. Without doing 1's complement, without doing 2's complement, I can directly read it. But one trick is there. Now see, pay attention here. Take same value 1 1 0 1. Above that you write down 1 2 4 8. Okay. Another method. You know that last bit is for sign bit. So this is below 8. You write down -8 for this value. -8. After that, +4 +1. Just calculate and tell me what value you are getting. -3. Nihal is telling -3. See, of course, last time also, not last time, just now before, 2-3 minutes before, we got the answer for this -3, and in this way also I am getting answer -3. So this is the another method. Without taking 1's complement, 2's complement, without doing 2's complement, 1's complement. If you want one more example, we can take one more example, no problem. One, 0, 1, 0. Hello? Find the number. Find the number. Anushka is telling -6. Let me check. Snigdha also telling -6. Arushi Sharma is also telling -6. Dipti. So maybe it is -6 only. -6 only. How did you come to know? I don't know which method you have applied. Let me have a revision here. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 16. So last bit, signed bit. Here you write down -16. -16. -16. Then plus 8 plus 2. There we have a 1. We will add these. We will add those values. We will add those values. Now solve it. Now solve it. -16 plus 10. So this is nothing but -6. This value is -6 in 2's complement form. In 2's complement form. In 2's complement form. You can check the same thing by using another method also what we have done. Subtracting -1, then converting into 1's complement. You can check in that way also. And if you are doing that method, so we supposed to get +6. We supposed to get +6. We supposed to get +6. So we will get. We are getting also. We will get +6 also. We will get. So this was the topic about the 2's complement. 2's complement representation of a number. 2's complement representation of a number. Now let us come to the new topic that is called binary arithmetic. Binary arithmetic. In binary arithmetic, we are going to learn binary addition, binary subtraction, multiplication, division, very simple. Then after that, we will come to the octal addition, octal subtraction, and the last topic is hexadecimal addition, hexadecimal subtraction. Okay. So put a heading binary arithmetic. Binary arithmetic. So first of all, we will start from binary addition. Binary addition. Then we will discuss binary subtraction. Binary subtraction. Sir, we can't use first method. First method means which method? One boy has asked something. Just raise your hand if you have any doubt. Raise your hand. Ayush, let me search you. Your video is not on. I don't know who's Ayush.
Good morning, sir.
You open your video first of all. Show your face.
Yes, sir.
Ayush. Okay.
So you gave 3 methods for representing negative value in 2's complement.
2's complement.
So we can't use first method for finding the negative value, reading the negative value.
No, no. It doesn't mean that three method is we have used for writing the complement. So we will have a three method also for reading purpose, for reading. No, no, two method is sufficient, and
Okay.
two methods are there only. Two methods are there. So binary addition, then we are going to do binary subtraction. In binary subtraction, we have three cases. Why I am telling we have a three case? Because we represent negative value in one's complement also. We represent negative value in two's complement also. Since we can represent one's complement, since we can write two's complement, so we have a three method also for doing binary subtraction. So using one's complement method, binary subtraction, then using two's complement method, for doing binary subtraction, and one more method is there, method of borrow. We have a three method of borrow. We have a three method to perform binary subtraction. First method of borrow, using one's complement method, using two's complement method. So my examiner will tell you, do this binary subtraction using two's complement method, using one's complement method. If the examiner is telling nothing, then you follow this method of borrow. First of all, let us have a binary addition. Let us perform binary addition. Then we will come to the binary subtraction. So binary addition is very simple. Nothing is there. In the previous class, I think in one of the class, I have given the rule. Also. What is the process of doing binary addition? Take example, suppose if I want to add 0, 1 plus 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. In this way I have given you, maybe in the paper you will get in this way, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So our first step is that make the bits equal. In number. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits, and for this you write 0, 0. Now perform the addition. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. In binary, we cannot write 3. So convert 3 into binary. So 3 can be converted into binary. We know that how to convert. 2 1 are 2, remainder 1. So from bottom to top, this is your sum, and this is your carry. Means 1 1. You have written the first one is your sum, and the second one will be your carry. Very simple. So what should I write here? 1 and 1 carry. 1 carry. Now again 0 0 0 1 1 plus 1 2. It is not possible in binary. So convert 2 into binary. You will get 1 0. First right hand side, this bit will be your sum and this will be your carry. So you will get 0 here, again 1 carry. 1 2 3 4. Convert 4 into binary. 2 to the 4, remainder 0. remainder 0. Sum, this will be the carry. This will be the carry. 0, and this will be the carry. This will be the carry. 1 0 will be the carry. And we know that 1 0 is nothing but it is 2. 1 0 is nothing but 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. Again I got 4. 4 means 1 0 0. 0. And here you will get it. Carry 1 0. 0 0 0 0, it will remain as it is only 1 0. If you want to check whether I have got the correct answer or not, then do one thing. First of all, find out which value it is, which value it is, which value it is. Let us do the decimal addition. Let us do the decimal addition. This is nothing but a 1. This is nothing but a 1 2 4 8. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. It is 13. It is a 1 2 4 4 plus 1 5. 1 2 4 8. 1 2 4 8. 12 13 14 15. 5 5 10 plus 3. 13, 3 1 carry, 1 2 3, 23, 10, 11 12 13, 3 1 carry, 23 it is. Let me check whether it is 23 or not. 1 2 4 8 16 32 33 is telling 33. Oh sorry, 1 plus 2. Sorry sir. 33. Of course, I am good. 33. So just check 1 0 0 0 1. Is it 30? Is it 33 or not? Is it 33 or not? So 1 2 4 8 16 32. 32 plus 1 33. This is nothing but 33. This is nothing but 33. So have you understand binary addition? We will spend one more day, no problem. 1 2 3 more example I will take. Binary addition. Here very important point is to be noted down. See, carry I have written here 10 1 0, but internally you consider it as a 2. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Do normal addition 4, but you cannot write 4 here. Convert into binary. So for converting the 4 we are getting 1 0 0. This is your sum and the remaining will be your carry. So here I do not have any 1 0 0 0 carry. Carry will come as it is. This value is nothing but 33. You can check in this way also. 33. I am getting the 33. Which means that binary addition is correct. I know what you are planning in your mind. Sir, what is the need of doing this much? If you give the question to us now, we will do one thing. We will convert this into decimal. We will do the addition of decimal. The result, if you are getting 33, I will write its binary value over. Why to take tension of adding this? I know. You have a substitution. No problem, you can do. I can't say anything. I can't do also anything. But I need a step. Step I need. Number is on the step. This is for this concept I have given you for cross-checking. Just for cross-checking whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, time is almost over. We will continue in the next class. We will take 1 2 more example of binary addition, then we will shift to the binary subtraction. Okay. This topic is very easy. Now topic is very easy. Almost we are end of the chapter. We are end of the chapter. Anything else today? Any confusion? Very simple. Aryan, any confusion? Namita, after long gap you are coming. Namita, are you doing class regularly? No, first time I have read your name, Namita. Good. You have taken computer. It means that you have to spend some time. You have to spend some time. Okay. No, it is not a Hindi. 2 days before exam, sir, I can go through it. You have to be in touch with the computer. You have to be in touch with the computer. Anushka, it is okay. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you.